A hierarchy allows you to navigate through different levels of data by drilling up or down. In here, we have information on geographic regions for our entities, starting with home country in this chart. Let's take a look at the hierarchies. So first, I'm going to select a country, for example, the US. I'm going to get rid of everyone else by excluding them. And now, in my home country chart, if I right-click, I can select drill down, and that will bring me down to home state. I know that there's more information here by these arrows, so I know that I can drill up or down to get to more information. In here, I'm going to select the state of Illinois, for example, exclude everyone else, and then again I can drill down and get to the different cities. To drill back up, I right-click and I select drill up, and I can get to my starting point. Now let's bring everyone else and see how we set up a hierarchy. To set up hierarchies under our task view, I can select step 3, work with data. In here, I'm going to create a new hierarchy with giving information and dates. First, I want to name my hierarchy, and I recommend that you name your hierarchy in some way that you can distinguish the hierarchy from a regular field. This is going to come in handy when we create a chart. So I'm going to name this hierarchy give date. I select OK, and in here I want my giving table. And here, first I'm going to add a field, and I'm going to select my highest level of data. So I'm going to start with a year. And I'm going to select override the default chart title to include the label that is going to appear in the chart, but also I want to include the arrows to indicate that there is more information below this level, since this is the top level. So I'm going to call this gift year. I add my arrow here. I'm going to add the next level of the hierarchy, year month. And I'm going to override the title. I'm going to include narrow both sides because this is in the middle of the hierarchy. And I'm going to call this gift year month. Include the lower arrow, and I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to end this hierarchy with the gift date. I'm going to call this gift date, and I'm just going to include an arrow on the left side. I'm going to select OK. Now I'm going to close this, and now let's display our hierarchy. In here, I'm going to create a new page. Under step 2 in design pages, I add a new page. I'm going to call this page hierarchy demo. Select OK. And now I want to create a new chart. I select add new chart. I'm going to add a line chart. Then select close. In here, I'm going to go to my gifts table. I'm going to look for my hierarchy field. So this is where having that hierarchy name comes in handy. I select the hierarchy, and in here I can choose to count the number of gifts or also some different values. So I'm going to sum the hard credit by date. And as you can see, I get my hierarchy starting at the gift year. From here, I can right-click, drill down. I can drill down all the way down to date, and come back up. So that is how you work with hierarchies. Thanks for watching.